So today we'll be doing the Chapter 12, Problem 3 screencast. I'll be doing problems 1 through 6. So to start, number 1, a company purchases its own common stock in the open market and immediately retires it. This is a financing activity because it is a retirement of a long-term liability in capital stock. Number 2, a company issues preferred stock in exchange for land. This goes as an S in the blank because it's just a transfer of assets between two things without any cash. Number 3, a 6-month bank loan is obtained. This is financing because it's an issuance of a long-term liability. Number 4 is a 20-year bonds are issued. Number 4 is financing because, again, it's an issuance of a long-term liability. Number 5, a customer's open account is collected. This is an operating activity because it's just a day-to-day function that runs the business and keeps the doors open and the lights on. Number 6, income taxes are paid. And this is also an operating activity, which is the same thing. It's just a day-to-day function used to run the business.
I will be doing problems 7 through 13. Problem 3, problem set 12. Problem 7, cash sales are recorded for the day. This is an operating activity since it's day-to-day and it deals with the acquisition and sale of products and services. Number 8, cash dividends are declared and paid. This is a financing activity since it deals with repaying with the funds associated with equity. 9, a creditor is given shares of common stock in the company in return for cancellation of a long-term loan. And so this is a supplemental non-cash activity since it deals with the issuing of the stock for the cancellation of the long-term loan. Number 10, a new piece of machinery is acquired for cash. This is an investing activity since you're acquiring a long-term asset. 11, stock of another company is acquired as an investment. So when purchasing stock for the long term, it can be thought of as an investing activity. 12, interest is paid on a bank loan. This is an operating activity. Since you can think of it as just paying one installment on the bank loan, it's more of a day-to-day activity. 13, factory workers are paid. And since workers are usually paid weekly or bi-weekly, it is a day-to-day occurrence and therefore an operating activity.